Okay, guys, now we discuss the complex numbers 4 marks. We already discussed the 2 marks also. In the complex numbers, we can discuss now 4 marks questions. First one, if a plus ib whole square equal to x plus iy, then find x square plus y square. Okay, you can find the solution now. He can give the what he can give an a plus ib whole square equal to x plus iy he can given. Okay, you can solution simplify. You can what is here a plus b whole square formula. What is that? A square plus I means I square b square means b square also plus 2ab means it is a plus b whole square formula. Okay, equal to x plus iy. Okay, x plus iy. Here what is that? A square, I square means we already know that I square equal to minus 1. Now minus b square plus 2a ib equal to x plus iy. Okay, now a square minus b square plus I into 2ab x plus iy means we can find x and y also. Know it is x, it is x and it is y. Okay, it is x, y, no, it is x, it is y. Okay, we can find now x square plus y square. We can find x square plus y square. Okay, now x square means how much? A square minus b square whole square. Okay, a square minus b square whole square. Now plus here what is the y square? 2ab whole square. Okay, a square minus b square whole square plus 2ab whole square. Now we can find here what is that? A minus b whole square formula. Now what is the formula? A square whole square plus b square whole square minus 2a square b square plus here 4a square b square. Okay, 4a square b square. Now you can find here powers are 2 to the 4 means a power 4 plus here 2 to the b power 4 minus here minus 2a square b square here plus 4a square b square means 2a square b square. Okay, 2a 4a square b square లోంచి 2a square b square తీసేస్తే plus 2a square b square. Okay, now it is in the form of what's that? A square plus b square whole square formula. Okay, is the form of what is that? A square plus b square whole square means it is come. It is come. Okay, okay guys, it is the x square plus y square. Okay, he can give the, we can find the answer. We go through the next one. Okay guys, now we discuss second one. What is second one? If x plus iy equal to 3 by 2 plus cos theta plus I sin theta, then show that x square plus y square equal to 4x minus 3. We already discussed when the dividing come, when the by will become, we can multiplying dividing with opposite sign. We already discussed. Okay, here what is the 3 by 2 plus cos theta plus I sin theta into here it is real part and it is imaginary part. Okay, 2 plus cos theta minus I sin theta by 2 plus cos theta minus I sin theta. Okay, we can multiplying and dividing with opposite side. Okay, we can multiply now. Here what is that? 3 into 2 plus cos theta minus I sin theta. Okay, by here it is in the form of what is the a square minus b square. What is the formula of a square minus b square? A minus b, a plus b. Okay, you can understanding, I think, the formula. We can apply this formula in that. Here what is that? A plus b, a minus b. Okay, in the formula we can write now means 2 plus cos theta whole square minus here I square sin square theta. Okay, I square sin square theta. Can understanding this formula we can apply now. Okay, we can find now multiplying this one. Now we can multiply. What is that? 3 2 is 6 plus 3 cos theta minus 3i sin theta. Okay, 3i sin theta by here also. Here what is that? What is that? A minus means a plus b whole square formula. Means 4 plus cos square theta plus 2 division 4 cos theta. 4 cos theta. Okay, we already discussed what is the I square equal to minus 1. I square equal to minus 1. Okay, means minus 1 means minus in minus plus sin square theta. Okay, we can write now. 6 plus 3 cos theta minus 3i sin theta by here 4 means here what is that? 4 plus 4 cos theta means here plus cos square theta plus sin square theta means here 4 plus 4 cos theta cos square theta plus sin square theta means we already know that cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. Okay, what is that? Cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. Okay, now here 6 plus 3 cos theta minus 3i sin theta by here 4 no, here cos theta 1 means 1 plus 5 4 5 plus 4 cos theta. Okay, we expand those. Here come we can come the x square y square. No, we can expand these. 1 6 plus 3 cos theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta minus I 3 sin theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta. Okay, it is x and it is y. Okay, we go to the next page. Okay guys, now you can find the x square plus y square. Okay, you can find the x square plus y square. What is x here? 6 plus 3 cos theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta. Okay, whole square plus y is how much? 3 sin theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta. Okay, we can find the squaring. Okay, now we can square now. Here whole square formula. 6 square means 36 plus here 3 square means 9 cos square theta plus 2 6 is 12 12 12 3 is how much? 12 3 is 36 cos theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta plus here whole square 9 sin square theta by here means here whole square there. Okay, this square will be belongs to both are and 5 plus 4 cos square theta whole square. Okay, cos theta whole square. Now okay, here bases are equal, now power should be added. Okay, bases are equal, power should be added. 36 plus 9 cos theta cos square theta plus 36 cos theta plus 9 sin square theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. Okay, bases are equal means power should be added. Okay, now here 36 plus here 36 cos theta. Now here 9 will be common, plus 9 will be common. Now cos square theta plus sin square theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. Now here how much will become cos square theta plus sin square theta? 1. 1 into 9, 9. 9 plus 36, 9 plus 36, 45. Means 45 plus 36 cos theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. Okay, cos theta whole square. Now in it one we can common 9. 9 common means here how much will become? 9 common means 5 plus 4 cos theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. Okay. Now in that if 2 are there now, cancel. Now again got it. 9 by 5 plus 4 cos theta. Okay. Here square means this have 2. Okay. 2 lonchi what this means you have this one. Okay. Now x square plus y square value it is. Okay guys. Now we can find the x square plus y square now. Now we can find 4x minus 3. Means we can find 4x minus 3. Here x value we can find how much x value? 4 into x value how much? 6 plus 3 cos theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta. Okay. Minus 3. Okay. Minus 3. In that one we can find now minus 3 now. Okay, multiplying with 4 means 4 6 is 24 plus 12 cos theta by here 5 plus 4 cos theta here into means minus 3 into 5 3 into 5 15 minus 12 cos theta. Okay, minus 12 cos theta. Now we can minus 12 cos theta minus 12 cos theta. Remaining 24 minus 15. How much? 9. 9 by 5 plus 4 cos theta. Means it is also same, it is also same. Means x square plus y square equal to 4x minus 3. We can find that. We go to the next question. Okay guys, now we discuss third one. If u plus iv equal to 2 plus I by z minus 3 and z equal to x plus iy, then find u into v. u into v అనేది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ z వాల్యూ ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు? x plus iy. Now you can find 2 plus I by z value ఎంత here? z value x plus iy. x plus iy minus 3 means ఇప్పుడు రియల్ పార్ట్ ఒకవైపు తెచ్చుకోవచ్చు అండ్ ఇమాజినరీ ఒకవైపు పంపించవచ్చు. 2 ప్లస్ ఐ బై రియల్ పార్ట్ అంటే ఐ లేనిది రియల్ పార్ట్. ఇప్పుడు x మైనస్ 3 ప్లస్ ఐవై. ఓకే, ఎప్పుడైతే మనకి బైలో ఇస్తాడో ఇక మల్టిప్లయింగ్ అండ్ డివైడింగ్ విత్ ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్ మీన్స్ ఇంటూ x మైనస్ 3 మైనస్ ఐవై by x minus 3 minus iy. Okay, multiply and dividing with opposite sign. Okay, now you can multiply here. Now 2 into these all means 2 into these all means 2 into x 2x minus 2 into minus 3 minus 6 here 2 into minus 2 iy. Okay, now I into these are I into x plus xi plus I into minus 3 minus 3i plus I into minus I square y by means minus I square y now minus I square y. Now it is in the form of a minus a square minus b square formula. In the x minus 3 whole square minus I square y square. Okay, in that one we can find 2x means 2x here minus 6 and minus 6 I square means we already know minus 1 means minus into minus plus y okay. This is real part. Next one I, which digit have I, it is called imaginary part go to another side. Now minus I will be common, okay I will be common means plus I will be common. Now here I will be common means x here minus 3 minus 2y by okay minus 2y. Here what is that? X minus 3 whole square. Here I square means means plus y square, okay plus y square. In that we can divide in that we can find u into v. No, we can divide in real and imaginary part. In that 2x minus 6 plus y by x minus 3 whole square plus y square, and here plus I into x minus 3 minus 2y by x minus 3 whole square plus y square, okay, and it is the u and it is the v value, okay. There is a u and v value. This is the enough, guys, okay. We go to the next question. Okay guys, it is very important sum. It is very important sum, okay. Fourth one, if z equal to 3 minus 5y 3 minus 5y, then show that z cube minus 10z square plus 58z minus 136 you can find, okay. Minus 136 equal 0. Solution, we can find this one, okay. This one equal to 0 we can find, okay. You can give the condition. What is the condition? Z equal to 3 minus 5y, okay. 3 minus 5y we can, it is the imaginary part, it is the real part goes outside means z minus 3 equal to minus of 5y, okay. We can squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides means z minus 3 whole square here minus 5y whole square, okay, means here z square plus 9 minus 6z equal to 25 means here minus 25 I square means minus 1, I square will be minus 1 and minus 5 square means 25 and I square will be means it will come 25 I square means I square means minus 25, okay, minus 25. Now z square minus 6z minus 25 will come this side means plus 25 plus 9 will plus 34 will become equal to 0, okay. This condition we can use and this condition we can provide into 0, okay. What is the given condition here? Given condition z cube minus 10z square plus 58z minus 136 equals 0, okay. We can find this one and we can first of all we can do z cube. This one factorization means what will become? Factorization means minus 6z square minus 4z square, okay, means 10z square, okay. 10z square plus 58z will be written as 34z plus 24z, okay. Now minus 136 will be same equal 0, okay. Now we can find here z will be common means here we can take the z cube minus 6z square z cube minus 6z square 34z plus 34z. ఓకే అలాగే ఇంకేమున్నాయి హియర్ minus 4z square plus 24z minus 136 equal to 0. Okay, now we can common the z, means z square minus 6z plus 34. Okay, this condition will become now, this condition will become means here minus 4z plus 24z minus 136 equal to 0, means this condition will be 0 now, means z into 0. Here we will common minus 4, it will be common minus 4, means minus 4 will be common, means z square minus 6z means 6 4z 24. Here minus means plus 34 equal 0, means 34 4z 136. Okay, it is also 0, means z into 0 minus 4 into 0 equal to 0. Okay, this condition will be comes on 0. Again, hence proved. Okay, hence proved.